Okay, now we'll talk about sedimentary rocks, how they're formed. We're going back to my sketch here on the white paper. So this is how igneous rocks are formed. So we have extrusive rocks, we have intrusive rocks, good examples basalt and granite. So let's see how sedimentary rocks are formed. So what is going to happen with this volcano over a geological period of time, maybe a few million years? What do you think?
It gets smaller.
Well, sort of it will get smaller, so it will be weathered. Have you heard of weathering process?
Yes.
When hard rocks become very, very weak, and then they actually turn into sediments, like sand or clay. So imagine that. So this part was just removed by weathering, and this part cannot just like stay here. It's going to be moved somewhere, and it will be moved down the slope. Let's say we have here ocean. Well, we have rain, we have some water streams, and all this material will be dumped right in the ocean. And imagine it's just very, very tiny pieces of sediments like sand or clay that will be washed down by water streams. And imagine what happens if it's about maybe 1,000 meters. 1,000 meters. It's a huge mass of sediments, and then if you think about the temperature, it will be a little bit higher, and the pressure, because of the this mass, it will be enormous. So what is going to happen? All these little sediments like sand or clay, they'll be sort of stuck together, and they will be densified. So this material, which was originally just like sediments, weathered rocks, it will actually turn into sedimentary rocks. Do you know any example of sedimentary rocks?
Sandstone.
Sandstone, what else?
Limestone.
Limestone, yeah, that's sedimentary rock too. It's a little bit a different origin, but again, it's formed in the ocean. What else? What you need to do is just you take any like part of sediments and just add stone. Sandstone, do you know mud?
Yes.
Then mudstone.
Claystone.
Claystone, yeah. What about silt?
Siltstone.
Siltstone, very good. So basically this type of rock, the name depends on the size of the sediments. If you have bigger sediments like sand size, it's going to be sandstone. If it's smaller silt, it will be siltstone. If it's like very fine material, it's going to be mudstone. So if you know this one, I think that will be very good. And again, I will teach you how to identify these rocks because they have a special texture, plastic texture.